All right, guys, this is Dakota Clifford with your eConstruction team. Today we're going to take a quick look at one of the new features within the Field Reports tool. That is the ability to collaborate on field reports and to do so in sequence. So essentially what this allows our users to do is assign a field report after they've started working on it to another user. Specifically, we've created a custom field report today that allows a inspector to complete their field report and then assign that to their construction manager on the project. And we've included a checkbox down at the bottom that asks the construction manager to verify that they have approved that report. So let's take a look here. I'm going to go into the Field Reports tab of my project. And once this opens up, I'm going to go to my Inspector Daily Report and click New Report. All right, so now I've got this new report here. I'm going to say this is a field report for December 15th. And I'm going to go ahead and populate this field report with some information here. So let me go ahead and do that now. All right, and at this point I have completed my field report for the day and I am ready to go ahead and submit this to my manager, to my construction manager on the project. What I'm going to do is, instead of actually pushing the screen submit button down here, I'm going to come over here to the assigned to button, and I'm going to go ahead and find my manager on this list, and then I'm going to submit it to him. So in this case, my manager is Christopher Kringle. He's our wonderful construction manager, and I'm going to reassign the draft to him. It's going to note here, after reassignment, I will not be able to make any more changes. They're going to get an email to notify them that they are the contributor that needs to make edits and then submit this draft. So I'm going to push reassign. This is going to take a second here. It's going to spin up and then it's going to note that. There it goes. And so now it's telling me the draft is currently assigned to someone else. You can view it but can't modify it or submit it, and it shows who it was assigned to over here. All right. Now I am logged into PlanGrid as Chris Kringle. I am going to jump over to my field reports to see what reports have been submitted on this particular project here. And once I am here, I'm going to click on Drafts Assigned to Me. And on this list right here, I'll see that Dakota Clifford submitted to me an Inspector Daily Report that I need to review. This is now my responsibility as the construction manager. And so I'm going to scroll on down here. I'm going to take a look at everything. Once I have reviewed the field report and I'm happy with everything, all I have to do is check this box right here. That's noting that I, as the construction manager, have reviewed and approved this report. And then I can submit this report. If I had an issue with this report, what I could do, if I wanted to send it back to the inspector, I could come over here to the Assigned To button. I could go back and assign it back to the original inspector, Dakota, that did it, and he could finish the work on the report. But in this case, I am happy with it, so I'm going to go ahead and press the submit button. It's going to note that I can't make any changes. Now the report's been locked for editing, submitted, and of course it was reviewed by the construction manager.